Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious pastry cream. Easy to make with very few ingredients, and I know that you guys are really going to love it. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. And delicious vanilla pastry cream. These are my few ingredients. I have milk, eggs, vanilla paste, cornstarch, and granulated sugar. This is everything we need to enjoy a delicious vanilla pastry cream that you could use in so many different recipes. Perfect filling for your puff pastry. So let's get started. I want to show you step by step how to make this vanilla pastry cream at home. I have 3 tablespoons of butter, unsalted butter. And of course, now I am ready to start making this amazing pastry cream. I'm going to start by adding 2 cups of milk. I am going to add half a cup of granulated sugar, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I am going to mix for a couple minutes, making sure that there's no lumps, that everything has dissolved completely into the milk. Once this is done, I am going to continue working with my 4 eggs. I am going to crack them in a bowl, and then I am going to remove the egg yolk and remove the skin that is in the egg yolk to make sure that this creamy pastry cream comes out delicious and amazing. Look at this. This is exactly what you want. You want to remove the skin of the egg yolk. All those little white pieces, you need to remove it so that the mixture is really creamy and really smooth. This really takes time, removing the skin out of the egg yolk. Look at this. Don't throw away your egg whites. Make a delicious omelette. Do not throw it away. Here, let me show you how I pinch, and then everything inside the egg yolk comes out, and I'm just left with the skin. Look at this. Once you remove the skin of the egg yolks, you are going to go ahead and add it to the mixture of the milk. Add everything in here. Whisk it really good, making sure that everything is really incorporated. It's very easy to make this vanilla pastry cream at home. It's going to be so delicious, so creamy. You could add it in so many different desserts. But I want to show you step by step. Put it in medium-low heat. Do not leave your pot unattended. You need to be mixing at all times. It's going to take a couple minutes, maybe like 10 minutes in medium-low heat. Continue whisking, continue whisking. Do not leave it unwhisking, because it's going to get really clumpy and it's not going to be smooth at all. Once you start seeing those little bubbles and you see the mixture has thickened, then you're ready to add your 3 tablespoons of butter. Whisk it really good. Turn off your stove. Just whisk it really good until the butter has dissolved completely. Once it has dissolved completely, then we are going to remove it completely from the stove. And we are going to add our vanilla paste. I love adding the vanilla paste because you could really see all those little seeds of the vanilla throughout the pastry cream. Look at this. The aroma is just delicious and amazing. But let me tell you, make this mixture 1 day in advance.
Don't try to make it the same day and use it in an amazing dessert. You need to make it one day in advance. Once you do this, you are going to transfer it to a plate. Let me taste it. My God, it tastes amazing. And now I'm going to put a little film of plastic wrap right on the top, of course, touching the pastry cream so it doesn't create the skin on the top. Look at this. I am going to really cover it good. I'm going to add another piece of plastic wrap right on the top. I'm going to take it to the refrigerator so that it stays there overnight. This is going to get nice and thick, and the texture is going to be just amazing. Okay, I have a pastry bag, a little tip. I am going to use it because I want to show you the texture. I want to show you the texture of this amazing vanilla cream pastry. You could put it in eclairs, you could put it in puff pastry, in donut as a filling. Oh my gosh. This pastry cream, I did it one day in advance. Let me show you the texture. Let me show you how creamy it is. Look at this. How creamy, fluffy. Of course, the flavor and the aroma, just amazing. And now I am going to transfer it into this baggy pastry bag, and I am going to pipe it. Let me show you from close up how beautiful and how creamy this vanilla pastry cream comes out. Look at this. Look how amazing. You could use it even to put inside a cake as a filling. You could enjoy it in so many different recipes. And you could even enjoy it with just a spoon when you have you're craving for something delicious, creamy, and you have this vanilla cream pastry cream in the refrigerator. Enjoy it. I'll see you in a bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this vanilla pastry cream. Easy to make with very few ingredients, but yet it comes out so creamy and delicious. You could use it in so many desserts. Excuse me. Mmm. 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 So creamy. The flavor of the vanilla paste, such a delicious and amazing flavor. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing vanilla pastry at home. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And of course, I'll be thinking how I'm going to use this vanilla pastry cream. See you soon. Bye-bye.